When I came out of the toilet, he had also come out of the toilet. And guess what, my brothers and sisters? He urinated standing up. He did not wash his hand, and he's the head of the Coca-Cola hygiene department. Then you come to the issues of acts of worship, which is the second. Issues of acts of worship. You look at Tahara. You look at what? Tahara. Read the chapters of Tahara. It makes sense. This is impure. Stay away from it. Recently, now they have realized the germs that are in the saliva that are in dogs, and some scientists or doctors are saying that it could cause, might cause cancer. And look at that. And in the saliva or the germs. Allahu alam if it's true, but that's what they're saying, some of them. Are we all together, brothers? You see the chapters of Tahara, where when you come out of the toilet, the Prophet came by a grave. He said, إِنَّهُمَا لَيُعَذَّبَانِ. These two people are being punished. هُمَا يُعَذَّبَانِ فِي كَبِيرٍ. But they're not being punished with something big, these two people. As for the first one, فَكَانَ يَمْشِي بَيْنَ النَّاسِ بِالنَّمِيمَةِ. He used to walk around the people. He was a talebearer. He'll take news from this person and he'll say, do you know what this person said about you? And this person said about you. And he would cause mischief amongst the people. And the other one was what? كَانَ لَا يَسْتَنزِهُ مِنَ الْبَوْلِ. He never used to protect himself from the urine. Then the religion has given a very severe ruling or punishment. Adhabul qabri, the punishment of the grave, comes from the person who doesn't protect himself from urine. It's najis. It's impure. Are we all together, brothers? I was studying in college in the UK and I was doing business. By the way, I don't know anything about business. But I was studying business in A-levels. They took us to Coca-Cola. That was based in North London, Edmonton. Big headquarters. We went there. So we were having discussions with the employees of Coca-Cola. The guy that was the head of the hygiene department of Coca-Cola came and he was telling us about how they protect the hygiene of Coca-Cola or whatever. He was explaining all of that to us. Then I needed to go to the toilet. So I went to the toilet and he also went to the toilet with me. It happened that we both went to the toilet at the same time. When I came out of the toilet, he had also come out of the toilet. And guess what, my brothers and sisters? He urinated standing up. He did not wash his hand, and he's the head of the Coca-Cola hygiene department. If only he did a chapter of Tahara, he would have known, right? I know a man who embraced Islam. I said, Akhi, talk to me. What's the story? What made you embrace Islam? He said, the chapter of Tahara. In Islam, the chapter of Tahara. Are we all together? I know a doctor that works for the NHS, non-Muslim. She said to me, I'm impressed with the Muslim community. My job is sometimes to look at people's private parts. And when I see the Muslims and they're clean, Tahara, and I see the non-Muslims, she's a non-Muslim. English lady. Are we all together, brothers? At-Tahara is a shatrul iman. It's a part of our religion. It's what our deen has given us, brothers.